Could a bike saddle actually make you faster? This isn't just any saddle. It's a glimpse into the future of cycling comfort and performance, and it's called the Fizik Vento Argo Adaptive. What Fizik has done here is truly remarkable, leveraging cutting-edge carbon digital light synthesis, 3D printing technology, to create something genuinely unique. Forget traditional foam padding. This saddle features seamlessly engineered zonal cushioning that adapts to your body in ways conventional saddles simply can't. It's like having a custom-fit cushion that knows exactly where you need support and where you need pressure relief, all without any seams or transitions. The Argo, part of its name, signifies its versatile short-nosed design. This isn't just a trend. It's a functional choice that encourages a more stable riding position, especially when you're tucked low in an aero position or really pushing the pace. That shorter nose also plays a crucial role in relieving pressure on soft tissue, which, let's be honest, is a major concern for any serious cyclist. You can feel the difference almost immediately. It allows you to rotate your pelvis forward more comfortably, finding that sweet spot for power transfer without sacrificing comfort. Underneath that innovative 3D printed outer material, which is a durable polyurethane, you'll find the R1 construction. This means a combination of a ride-compliant, carbon-reinforced nylon shell and a highly stiff carbon rail. This isn't just about saving weight, though at 12 inches long, 8 inches wide, and 3 inches high, it's certainly a compact and performance-oriented package. The stiffness of that carbon rail is absolutely critical for efficient power transfer. Every watt you put into the pedals feels like it's going directly to the road, with no energy wasted in saddle flex. It's a beautiful synergy between advanced cushioning and a rock-solid foundation. The all-black aesthetic is sleek and understated, letting the technology speak for itself. It's a saddle designed for performance, for those long, demanding rides where comfort can make or break your day. Ultimately, the Fizik Vento Argo Adaptive isn't just a saddle. It's a serious piece of engineering that delivers on its promise of advanced comfort and unwavering support for demanding riders. It truly feels like a game changer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.